All right, check out this awesome video.
Want to learn how to create it in just 3 minutes? Let's dive in. First, upload your Arabic calligraphy image. You can choose any design, a verse, a word, or your own artwork. Simply drag and drop it into the upload area.
Next, let's make it cinematic. Change the canvas size to 16 by 9, the widescreen format. Then, select the first template and click Generate.
All right, here's the first result. Clean, elegant, and ready. If you're happy with it, you can download it, or save it to your gallery for later. Okay, it's time now to turn the image to video motion. Click Turn Image to Video. Then tap Surprise Me to get creative prompt ideas or write your own custom animation prompt.
Each prompt gives your art a unique motion style: flowing sand, glowing light, or a gentle camera pan. Experiment until you find the one that feels right for your design.
Once you're ready, choose your video quality. I'll select 720p, the default. Now click Generate and let the system work its magic. It takes just a few moments. Watch as the progress bar moves. Your animation is on the way.
I'm going to skip the video so you don't have to wait. Let's jump right in.
And here it is, your 3D Arabic calligraphy, stunningly created. Elegant, modern, and full of meaning. All crafted in just 3 minutes. Now you can create beautiful Arabic calligraphy videos anytime. We're adding new templates regularly, so check back often for fresh designs. Thanks for watching, and may your creativity continue to shine.